Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Google Cloud Storage to stream files in Node. Complete guide step by step clearly. Start by setting up your Google Cloud project. Go to the Google Cloud Console. Create a new project or select an existing one. Enable the Google Cloud Storage API for your project. Next, create a service account for authentication. Navigate to the IAM and Admin section and select Service Accounts. Click on Create Service Account and follow the prompts. Make sure to grant the necessary permissions, such as Storage Admin. Once the service account is created, generate a key in JSON format. Download the JSON key file to your local machine. Now, install the Google Cloud Storage Client library in your Node.js application. Open your terminal and run the command npm install at Google Cloud/storage. After installation, create a new JavaScript file in your project directory. In this file, import the Google Cloud Storage library. Use the following code: const storage equals require at Google Cloud/storage. Next, initialize the storage object with your service. Add the line const storage equals new storage key file name path /to/ your /keyfile.json. Replace path /to/ your. Now, connect to your desired Google Cloud Storage bucket. Use the following syntax: const bucket equals storage.bucket, your bucket name. Replace your bucket name with the actual name of your bucket. Next, implement a function to stream files from the bucket. Create an asynchronous function named streamFile. Inside this function, use the method const file equals bucket.file, your file name. Replace your file name with the actual name of the file you want to stream. Use the createReadStream method to get a stream of the file. Add the line const readstream equals file.createReadStream. You can now pipe this stream to a response object. For example, use the line readstream.pipe response. Ensure that you handle any errors by adding an error listener. Use readstream.on error here equals / handle error */. Now, you have everything set up to stream files from Google Cloud Storage. Finally, test your implementation by running your Node.js application. Check if the files are streamed correctly. You are now ready to use Google Cloud Storage for file streaming in your Node.js project. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.